Good evening, everybody. I am togged up to the nines. Oh. Wiping the lens on that Insta360 is like playing with a nipple. It's just like, ah, yeah. Ah. Oh, this weather is delightfully British. He's got a sticker that says deadly on it. Is that deadly because he's got no brain cells? Oh, look at that! Wow! No, wait. Reverse into me, you plum. Dogging. Look at this, man! You three-finger gloves. You can't even swear at me. Ha! We are in the Lac district. Oh, rear tyre puncture. Ah, f***. That's massive. For fuck's sake. Oh my god! Heading up to Dockeray. I really want to Dockeray. I've just topped over 20,000 miles. You're a dirty lens, aren't you? That's definitely a job. Hello. The sheer scale of this is insane. Oh, pheasant! I just hit a bloody pheasant! That view is way bigger than I thought it would be. Farts and willies, they're just really funny. Whee! Take a corner at 53. Oh, yeah! 54. Come on, go! I've just overtaken you on a monkey bike on Snake Pass. How do you feel about your life? Speed! I am speed. Also just hit 69 miles. Lol. Hello. How you doing? Sorry, my gloves are a little bit wet from yesterday. This is my dad.
Your dad? Is that his name?
Yeah. Full name. Your dad, Vincent. Oh, another KTM. Another KTM. Oh, another KTM.
Bloody common as muck.
Bloody everywhere. Common as muck. I did the quick part well. Oh, right everyone. We are going to go and get a coffee. Speak to you later. Oh, great corner. Lovely to meet you.
And you, thank you for a wonderful day.
Oh, thank you. I've been lazy one. Good to meet you, mate.
Yeah, and you.
Oh, look at this. This is fucking awesome. First 3 minutes of my France trip and we're already breaking the law. 31 degrees. Good evening, everyone. We're in France. Ollie, if you are watching this, look, that's an Africa Twin there and it's working. Come all the way to France just to do green laning. I'm just putting my hand up to everyone because then I think they can't be angry about the noise of my exhaust if I seem friendly.
They won't have Karens in France, they'll have Le Caron.
What's the difference between male sorry and feminine sorry?
One of them thinks they're right, the other one is right.
Heard it through the grapevine. Oh, so good. You take a picture like an old man.
How do you mean?
Just so you know. I don't know, just...
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
The road goes through the mountain. Oh, wow. Oh! What is this?
I'm really sorry, all of France, for the noise that is about to happen.
That is the most old man stance I've ever seen on anyone ever before.
It's so cold as well. I don't know why the rain's so cold. There are some people that have no fear. I am not one of those people.
I'm fully expecting a group connection lost.
Group connection lost.
There you go. This is unreal. I'd never thought I'd be on a road like this. Why is the rain so cold? They're probably
my nipples are so cold. If anyone needs any glass cut, I'm your guy.
If you want to watch the full version of this video where we talk about other things getting erect, join the Patreon.
You fucking yobbo.
The noise of my bike against these walls. Oh, it's a co-op!
Do you reckon you can go in there and get Le Meal Deal?
It's 2023, I can be whatever gendarmerie I want. Le Alpe! They are covered in snow, that means they are immediately Alps. Probably should stop doing this accent, shouldn't I, at some point?
It's not like you're deliberately recording yourself.
Oh, they got fish down there.
You get to get your rod out and pick your dinner.
Last time I did that, I got kicked out of a restaurant. Oh my god! That is the best place I've ever done a wheelie! No, that was the best place I've ever done a wheelie. Holy cow. Oh! Mate, look at that view! It's the
my
best.
God.
Oh my god. Where can I take one up here? Here. I'll pull over on this side.
Where the?
Oh my god.
That's insane.
Holy shit.
Look at the water. Water. Look at the water. Common as muck.
Look at the water. Lots and lots of speedo blurring out. And lots of speedo blurring out. My bike's going to go into KTM and they'll be like, we serviced your bike 3 weeks ago. How come your brake pads and tyres are completely shot in that time? Well,
let me show you this video.
We're at the Green Welly stop in Scotland, which means another Scotland series. Oh yeah. God, it's not a diesel then, I shut myself.
Just started his GS, I've fallen asleep.
Gonna make lots of jokes about this. Turned in a little bit tight there, Sam. Whee!
He's just shaking his head at you now.
So this is Bridge of Orkney.
Bridge of Orkney? Where's the bridge?
It's good when you're riding in a big group. If you bite at the back, they came the abbies together.
Yeah.
It's nice that way.
I'll for everyone watching, I'll translate that. Here comes the rain.
What's the rain got to do with it?
Hey! It's really heavy here.
Oh god.
I'm in my jeans. This is not good for me. Guarantee he jumps. See? I just have no idea why people do it.
I don't get it.
The Scottish guy doesn't even know.
Do you ken everything in your area?
Okay. Look at these nips coming down here. Jeez, boy, that waved!
Yes! They both waved!
Oh my god! Goes.
You just gushed all over me.
Oh, sorry.
Hidden dip? Oh, what are we talking? Salsa? White land.
There's a bird. It started walking off, and then as soon as you went past, it went.
Oh, I do love focaccia.
Oh, focaccia. That's lovely, isn't it? It's Rich. Don't know if you can see him. Hi, guys. Oh, such a good bit of road! My back wheel skipped then. We are knobheads. I still don't understand how the Welsh can look at the back of one of those and go, yep. Sorry to everyone Welsh person watching.
Roadworks ahead. Well, I should hope so.
Fourth gear power wheelie! Now. Jesus! Oh, windy road for another 800 yards, what a shame.
That's shit, innit?
The War Memorial, what's this called?
I don't know, but I'm wet.
Yeah.
Sam's decided to pull over here in the pissing fucking wet to put GoPros on. Get on your bike!
The Commando Memorial, I don't know what it's. Don't draw a penis on my bike.
Two words for you. Pish wet.
So, this morning, we went all the way down to my leg. This leg, not that leg. Got 60 miles. 57. Bloody suspensions up high.
And you had longer legs, eh?
Yeah. Your jokes are not funny.
Lovely woman, got a great pair of turrets.
I've never heard you so angry about stuff before. That's brilliant.
I bet you he's got a weapon.
Oh, here we go, everybody. Applecross Pass.
In the pish wet.
Do you want a picture, Joe?
No.
It's so miserable. And what's really great is when you come over the top, you get a really good view of the. Oh, wait. Block Nabar is now a Patreon member. Thank you very much for joining me on this. I don't know whether it's going to be a couple of videos or just one. And I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.